Earlier this year, I went to the Cherry Blossom Festival in San Diego in the Japanese Friendship Garden. I would highly recommend coming here to see the sakura or cherry blossoms, eat some good food, and enjoy nature.
Wow, it's so huge.
They also had some vendors selling tea items, some anime items, as well as some other jewelry and knickknacks. They also had some food vendors there. The only thing was that the line was super long. So the Japanese Friendship Garden is actually within Balboa Park, which is a huge park with a lot of different buildings, vendors, and museums. So we decided to go check out the main area and check out some of the interesting architecture. One of the museums in Balboa Park is Comic-Con Museum. Comic-Con is held every year in San Diego, and it's so popular that they decided to make a whole museum out of it. So we also went to the Gaslamp Quarter, which is a really lit place to go. There's a lot of bars, a lot of shops, restaurants, and places to hang out. We went to Cafe Sevilla, which is a Spanish tapas restaurant. They had a lot of delicious food and even live music. Then we went to Seaport Village, which is just a bunch of shops that are next to the marina, and it's really beautiful. And of course, we had to go to Tacos El Gordo. It is a local fave. They have freshly made tortillas in the back, and they also have fresh, juicy meats for the tacos. These are some of the best tacos you can come by. So when you're in San Diego, make sure you come here. One of my favorite barbecue joints in Southern California is Phil's Barbecue. They have a huge selection of food. It's delicious. You just have to come and try it if you haven't already. This is my third time coming by and I totally enjoyed it.
Oh, that looks good.
Their onion rings are fire, and so are their baby back ribs, so make sure you do not sleep on it. So we went to check out the Pacific Beach area in San Diego, and it's pretty lit. There's a lot of people out, clubbing, hanging out, partying. It's really fun, and we decided to go to an axe throwing place. I would highly recommend trying it out.
Nice.
Woo! So we came to La Jolla to go kayaking, which is probably the thing I was most excited to do on the trip.
And to go kayaking.
So we did a guided kayaking tour, which was probably the best option because the tour guide tells you a bit about the area and the wildlife, and it was a very fun experience. We had some delicious Italian American food, and this place, Felipes, has been open since 1950. In the front of the restaurant, they actually have like an Italian deli and little store with authentic Italian products that you can buy. And just like a cafe in Italy, they have some little treats that you can buy, like cookies and bread. The thing I love about this place, it's like a traditional Italian American restaurant with the red gingham tablecloths, and they have such a large selection of different foods that you can eat and a large variety of wines to choose from as well. So we made sure that we definitely dished up when we were here. We got some ravioli, lasagna, some sausage, meatball, chicken fettuccine alfredo, and it was all super delicious. So later that night we went to Grazier, which is Sam the Cooking Guy's restaurant, It has a lot of small bites and charcuterie boards as well as cocktails. You can watch the extended video on my YouTuber owned restaurant series. I will put the video in the side so that you can go ahead and watch it if you haven't already, and you can see my thoughts on this restaurant and his other restaurants as well. So the next day we went back to the same plaza to try out Not Tacos, which is also owned by Sam the cooking guy. We didn't get to try Sam burgers yet, but that will definitely be for another video. And again, if you haven't watched my YouTuber owned restaurant series of Sam the cooking guy, make sure to check it out to see my thoughts on these Not Tacos. And just down the street is a cute little cafe called Papaleco, which has a lot of different paninis and some pastries. They also have really good coffee, and I don't say that a lot.
Okay, now we're at Holi Matcha. I've always wanted to go here. One of the first food Instagrams I've ever followed, and finally getting to go. So let's get some matcha.
This is definitely one of the most Instagram worthy cafes to go to. They also have a lot of different unique options for matcha lattes and other drinks too. It's so aesthetically pleasing that you just have to come here to visit.
It's pretty smooth. It's mostly like horchata taste with like a hint of matcha, but it's like really refreshing drink. Mostly horchata taste though. Strawberry lemonade. Ooh, that was really good. It's like really sweet and strawberry. I like this one a lot. The strawberry lemonade. Thank you all for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed my San Diego vlog. I really enjoyed all of the restaurants I went to, the places I saw, and the activities I did. I would definitely recommend doing those things and going to those places if you haven't already. And I would love to explore more of San Diego because it was so much fun. Well, if you liked this video, make sure to hit that like button, hit the subscribe button if you haven't already, and hit the notification bell for more updates on my new videos. And comment down below if you have any other suggestions for videos you guys would like to see. Alright, I'll see you all in the next one. Bye!